Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 26, 2025, and we're diving into Kontoor Brands' latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kontoor Brands, known for its iconic Wrangler and Lee brands, has just released its financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kontoor Brands reported a net revenue of $699 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 4% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 9% increase in global direct-to-consumer sales and a 4% rise in wholesale. The adjusted gross margin also improved by 160 basis points to 44.7%, thanks to lower product costs and supply chain efficiencies.
And what about profitability?
The adjusted operating income rose by 17% to $101 million, and the adjusted EPS increased by 2% to $1.38. It's worth noting that the prior year's EPS was positively impacted by a discrete tax benefit, so the underlying growth is even more impressive.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.31 for this quarter. How did Kontoor Brands perform against this expectation?
Kontoor Brands exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.38, beating the forecast by 0.7. Excluding the prior year's tax benefit, the EPS growth is approximately 23%, highlighting strong operational performance.
That's quite a significant beat. What factors contributed to this outperformance?
The company's focus on operational efficiencies, cost management, and strategic pricing actions played a crucial role in driving this EPS beat.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, what strategic initiatives is Kontoor Brands focusing on for 2025?
The company is projecting revenue growth between 1% and 3%, with an adjusted EPS range of 5.20 to 5.30 cents. They're also expecting significant savings from Project Genius, which is anticipated to exceed $100 million by 2026.
And how does the acquisition of Helly Hansen fit into their strategy?
The acquisition is expected to close in the second quarter of 2025 and contribute approximately 15 cents to the full-year adjusted EPS. This move is set to enhance their total shareholder return model and drive further value creation.
CEO's perspective and closing remarks. What insights did CEO Scott Baxter share about the company's performance and future prospects?
Scott Baxter highlighted 2024 as a landmark year for Kontoor, driven by market share gains and strong shareholder returns. He expressed confidence in the company's ability to deliver strong value creation in 2025, supported by strategic investments and operational efficiencies.
That's encouraging to hear. Any final thoughts, John?
Kontoor Brands is well-positioned for continued growth with a solid balance sheet, a focus on innovation, and strategic acquisitions. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kontoor Brands has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2024, with impressive revenue growth and an EPS beat. Looking ahead, their strategic initiatives and the Helly Hansen acquisition are set to drive further growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Kontoor Brands' performance.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kontoor Brands' performance in the comments below. Until next time.